welcome to our broadcast called Let's Talk About Grammar. I'm Jidalyn Roma and together with my classmate, we'll talk about a topic that sometimes confused when studied subject-verb agreement.
Hello everyone, yeah, this is one of the most common lesson in English. But honestly, daghan gyapon masayop ani. So today, we help you understand it in a simple way.
So let's start. Subject-verb agreement means the subject and verb shall match in number. If the subject is singular, the verb shall also be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb shall be plural too.
Example, she ran every morning and she is regular, we add is and a verb. Pero kung they run every morning, they is plural, so we don't add is. Example, di ba?
Yeah, pero sometimes magdibuta when the words between the subject and verb. For example, the line is the name of the board. If the total name is plural, the real name is the last. That's why we use S.
Nice example, another one. Kung duha ang subject and connected by N, the verb should be plural. Example, Anna and Mary are two best friends. Because we are two people, we use are.
Pero kung or nor ang gamiton, the verb will agree to the nearest subject. Example, either my classmate or my teacher knows the answer. Since teacher is a singular, we use knows.
Let's talk about pronouns like it's, everyone, somebody, or nobody. These are singular, so dapat singular sad ang verb. Example, everyone is happy, not everyone are happy.
Also nasad mga words nga murag plural pero singular di ay. Example, mathematics is my favorite subject. And you is interesting today, even if they end with is, they are still singular.
But don't forget the qualitative noun like team, family, or groups. As their acts once unit singular verbs. For example, the team wins the game. Pero kung individual acts, plural na like the team are origins among the symbols.
1. Singular subject, singular verb. 2. Plural subject, plural verb. 3. Ignore words in between. 4. Watch or for and nor. And 5. Indefinite pronouns like everyone and each are singular.
Following these rules help us speak and write between English. Di lang kay pang grammar test, pero pang daily communication po.
Right one. Once you get used to it, dali na kayo. Just remember, find the real subject first because choosing the verb.
Yeah, sakto. Grammar can be strictly sometimes, pero kung kasabot ka sa logic, dali ra gyud na siya.
And that's all our topic today. Thank you for the listening. We hope that learned something new about the subject-verb agreement. That's all for today. My name is Shaina Alharkan.
And I am Jidalyn Roma.
I'm Justin Derek Smith.
I'm Ray Emerald.
I'm Gabriel